Welcome back. In this video, we'll learn about method overloading. With method overloading, multiple methods can have the same name with different parameters. For example, in this method add numbers, we passed int x and int y, and the return statement will return x plus y, the summation of x and y in form of an int. The same here, I'll create another method called add numbers, and the returning type this time will be a double. Add numbers, double z and double w. Here the return will be z plus w. So z plus w is a double and the returning type is double. Here, add numbers, and Android Studio will not generate any errors because we specified the same name of the method. But here, the Android Studio will understand that this is a method overloading. Now, I want from you to focus with me with this very important note. You can see when we call add numbers and we pass arguments 10 and 20, which are integers, the method add numbers that return int will be called. And add numbers will be in yellow, because in yellow means that it is used. You can hover your mouse cursor over any method or any keyword in Android Studio and you'll get some hints. You can see add numbers in gray, it's never used. So when passing 10 and 20 integers, Android Studio will go and use the corresponding method according to the passed integers. If I pass a double, so 10.7 and 20.3, you can see that add numbers that accepts integers will not be called. And the add numbers method that accepts double and return double, it will be called. And this is according to the type of parameters the method or the corresponding method will be called. If we run the program now, you can see that the value is 31.0 and the returning type is double. So this method is being called and this method is not being called when we pass double values as arguments. This is called in Java method overloading.